Getting stuck with a sneaky Stockx error code 400 can really halt your sneaker or streetwear hustle. This common hiccup usually points to a buildup of old information in your browser, like cached data or cookies, which can sometimes interfere with how Stockx communicates with its servers. The most effective first step to tackle this is by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Each browser has this option slightly differently, but generally, you'll want to go into your browser's settings or history, look for clear browsing data, and make sure you select to clear cache, cookies, and other site data. Crucially, do this for all time to ensure you're getting a fresh start. Once that's done, close your browser completely and reopen it. Then, navigate back to Stockx and try your transaction again. Often, this simple refresh of your browser's memory is all it takes to get you back on track for that smooth purchase. If clearing your data doesn't do the trick, the next logical move is to try a completely different web browser. Sometimes, an issue might be specific to how one browser handles certain website protocols, and switching to another like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge can bypass that roadblock entirely. By tackling your browser's junk data and being open to switching browsers, you'll usually find your way past that annoying error code 400 and back to completing your deals on Stockx quickly and efficiently. Happy shopping!